You are going to love the 2022 RDX. The RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, traction control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CarFax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CarFax Buyback Guarantee.